The nervous system is an elegant survival architecture, designed not for meeting rooms and quarterly targets, but for tribal living, rhythm with nature, and rest. The high achiever, however, often operates in a way that overrides this ancient rhythm. Cortisol, adrenaline, and dopamine become the primary drivers. Deadlines act as predators. Metrics take the place of seasons. And the nervous system is pushed into vigilance, never given the chance to complete cycle of activation and restoration. Burnout is not only mental fatigue, it is the biology of survival trapped in chronic performance. When the sympathetic nervous system is kept on high alert, the body begins to withdraw energy from digestion, immune repair, and long-term renewal. What was once brilliance and clarity shifts into brain fog and tiredness. Muscles tighten, sleep becomes shallow, the body whispers through fatigue, then speaks through tension, and finally shouts through illness. High achievers rarely see this process because their identity is performance. They have learned to mistake exhaustion for resilience, to mistake speed for mastery, to mistake pushing harder for going further. The nervous system doesn't lie. It tells the truth of unsustainable pace long before the mind admits it. Rebuilding resilience begins with nervous system recalibration. This does not mean withdrawal from ambition, but restoration of rhythm. When cycles of sympathetic activation, doing, achieving, executing, are balanced with parasympathetic recovery, rest, reflection, integration, the nervous system regains resilience. Without it, even the most brilliant minds collapse under their own internal pressure. In practice, this recalibration involves teaching the body that safety is not conditional on output. Breathwork, somatic grounding, and coherent focus are not luxuries. They are rewriting tools. When the nervous system learns that it can return to baseline after intensity, the achiever's brilliance is not lost but amplified. What emerges is not a weak performer, but a sustainable one, driven by clarity instead of compulsion, fueled by energy instead of depletion. The nervous system of the high performer must be restored to rhythm, or the nervous system will restore itself through collapse. And collapse is far more expensive than recalibration.